In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Suno AI. If you're looking to get started with this exciting platform, you'll find that the process is quite straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Suno AI website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in suno.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be directed to their homepage. It's here where your journey with Suno begins. Once you're on their website, look towards the top right corner. You'll see an option that says sign in. Go ahead and click that. Now don't worry if you don't have an account yet. This is the initial step you'll take whether you're signing in or creating an account for the first time. Next up, you'll need to select how you want to create this account. Suno AI offers several convenient options through which you can set up your account, namely Apple, Google, Microsoft, or Discord. This integration makes the process both simple and secure, allowing you to use credentials from a service you likely already use. Now, let's say you choose, for example, Google. Click on the Google icon, which indicates that you're authorizing Suno AI to link with your Google account. This option is perfect if you want to keep everything streamlined and consolidated. Of course, pick whichever service you feel most comfortable with. After you make your selection, the next step is to follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the login process. It's important to read through each prompt carefully to understand what you're consenting to. This often involves granting permissions to share the necessary basic information from your chosen account with Suno AI. Once you've done this, you're well on your way. The authorization prompts may vary slightly depending on which account you've opted to link with, but typically it involves either signing into your account or confirming the connection if you're already signed in. If there's any additional information required, such as a profile picture or additional security settings, Suno AI will guide you through these final steps. And that's about it. Within a matter of minutes, you should now have an active Suno AI account. Take a moment to explore the platform and see what it has to offer. With your account all set up, you're ready to unlock an array of capabilities and functionalities that Suno AI provides. Congratulations on taking this step. I hope you found this guide helpful and encouraging as you begin your journey with Suno AI. Remember, if you run into any obstacles, Suno often has support options available to provide assistance. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring everything that Suno has in store for you.